In this video, we're picking up right where we left off. Last time, we built a flow to read a document and let AI do the summarizing. Now we're taking it a step further, bringing that summary straight into HxGN EAM. First, we'll keep it simple and pretend the document code is the same as the file name. Easy, right? And then, in part 2, we'll get a little smarter. We'll show you how to actually grab the document code from the file name. Let's dive in. Now we take the output from OpenAI, our shiny little summary, and hand it over to the HxGN EAM web service. Our incoming folder is now simply the upload folder from EAM. Whenever EAM drops a file in there, that's what triggers the flow. And just like that, the web service pushes the summary right back into the correct document inside HxGN EAM. Smooth, right? And boom, your summary lands right inside EAM. Now, we know the document code isn't always the same as the file name. So, let's level up our flow. First, we'll figure out the correct document code. And here's how we're going to do it. The beginning stays the same, but now we add one more step. After the OpenAI request, and before calling the EAM web service, we first query EAM itself. To keep things simple, we just pull all the document information and loop through until we find the right file name. And to keep it tidy, we'll use a few variables along the way. Makes it easier to store and reuse the info we need. Each request gives us 50 document records. So, we just keep looping through the pages until we finally hit the right document. It's a bit like flipping through a catalog, page by page, until you land on the one you're looking for. Once we've found the right document, we grab the key info, the document code, and the organization, and set our little found flag. That way the loop knows to stop, and we don't waste any extra requests. And if we didn't find it yet, no worries. We just bump the cursor to the next set of 50 and keep going until we do. And in the HTTP request, all we need to do now is plug in our variables. The URI gets the document code, and the organization header takes the org value. With that, the request goes straight to the right document in EAM. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, subscribe for more Power Automate and AI magic, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and keep automating the boring stuff so you can focus on the good stuff.